besties, I don't even gotta wait. It's been about 5 minutes, and this patch, it's already heating up. It's already working. I wanted to show y'all these empathy patches I got. I just got my period. And to be honest, I was gonna tell y'all that this was a good idea to wear to work, and I don't work today. I just happened to get my period today. So I'm like, I'm gonna have to make this video today and expedite this because I got my period today. So if you a girly that gets your PMS and thing going on and you work, because I stock shelves, you know what I'm saying? And I like to move my body. I don't like to stay in one spot, and my boss knows that. So this is a good idea for my PMS girls who's on the go. And this comes with 8 patches, and it says it works for 8 hours. They all come individually wrapped. So I'm bloated. You can see I'm PMSing. And we're gonna put it right where it says to put it. If they do what it's supposed to do.